Welcome to Hodl Hodl, and today we will go over one important aspect of P2P trading, and that is how to create your offers. Lightning edition. Let's go. Right there on the homepage, you will see the button Create Offer. Once you click the button, it takes you to the Create Offer page where you can either create an offer to buy BTC or you create another offer to sell BTC. So you click on I want to buy BTC, you select Lightning Network. First thing you need to take note of is this tied to an exchange rate. This means your offer will be tied to the selected exchange rate. You have various exchange rates available for you here. And then if you want to take it up a notch, you add your margin. So I click a floating rate and I add a margin of 3%. This means whatever the rate is, my margin will be 3% higher. You could also go for a fixed rate, which means whatever the price, your fixed rate won't be changed. But the floating rate is always better because the market is volatile. It could go up, it could go down, but your margin of profit will always remain. So we click a margin of 3%. We'll come down and we select the amount we want to buy. Fixed amount, as it says, is a fixed amount of Bitcoin that you want to get. And an amount range states from what amount to what amount you want to buy. I want to buy a fixed amount of 40 USD, and I want my payment method, which is how I want to pay it, to be in cash. I can select any other payment method that works for me, but I want cash and I want it in person. Enable offer after creation has been selected, and I go right ahead to create offer to buy. And just like that, my offer has been created. You could go further to edit the offer, duplicate it, or delete it. Every setting is going to be available for you on your top right button here that says my offer. If you click on it, all the offers you've been created will be listed here and you could take it up from there.